Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2025 Bentley VIP motorhome will bring the prestigious Bentley brand into the world of grand touring on a genuinely grand scale by combining custom luxury with mobile living in a way never seen before. Even if this car is presently in the realm of aspirational and projection design, it can be imagined using Bentley's well-established values of unmatched workmanship, painstaking attention to detail, and the smooth incorporation of state-of-the-art technology. Based on a sturdy and appropriately designed chassis, the 2025 Bentley VIP motorhome's appearance would probably forego ostentation in favor of subtle elegance, mirroring the upscale design of Bentley's automobiles. Signature Bentley design elements like the matrix grille, unique lighting signatures, and flawlessly finished paintwork in a carefully chosen palette of elegant hues will complement the vehicle's smooth, flowing lines, which may be slightly accentuated for aerodynamic efficiency due to its size. A dedication to aesthetic coherence would guide the incorporation of essential motorhome accessories, including as flush-mounted windows, covert service hatches, and smoothly integrated awnings. The real spirit of Bentley's design philosophy, however, would be most vividly portrayed within. It would be like entering a mobile haven of unmatched luxury when you stepped inside the 2025 Bentley VIP motorhome. Every imaginable surface, from the custom seating arrangements to the painstakingly designed dashboard and trim panels, would be covered in hand-stitched leather that was acquired from the best skins. An ambience of classic elegance would be created by the cabinets and accent details featuring rare and responsibly sourced veneers that have been polished to a deep sheen. For long trips, the layout would be carefully planned to optimize comfort and usefulness. There would be seamless integration of areas designated for rest, dining, and relaxation, each with custom, handcrafted furnishings. Picture a bedroom quarter with a king-size bed and linens of the greatest thread count, a dining space with a handcrafted table inlaid with elaborate marquetry, and soft, recliner armchairs covered in the finest Connolly leather. The integration of technology would be thorough but discreet. Modern entertainment systems that blend in perfectly with the cabinets would offer captivating visual and aural experiences. Modern climate control systems would function with almost silent efficiency, carefully adjusted for maximum comfort in any setting. With discreetly integrated high-speed internet access and user-friendly management systems overseeing the various onboard amenities, connectivity would be crucial. In keeping with Bentley's grand touring philosophy, the powertrain would be designed to provide a smooth and effortless driving experience, even though it might be modified for the vehicle's size and weight. Sophisticated suspension systems would provide a smooth ride while shielding passengers from the road's irregularities. The 2025 Bentley VIP motorhome would essentially be a mobile version of the Bentley lifestyle, giving affluent people the chance to travel the world in an atmosphere of unmatched comfort, elegance, and custom craftsmanship. It would be a grand tourer reimagined for the open road, a declaration of sophisticated taste, and a tribute to the craft of custom design.